Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel lakme. I am Suman Lakhara. Today I am going to show you the khaki green eyeshadow makeup look. So let's get started. I am using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, Nykaa Straw Glow Liquid Highlighter, shade I am using Blushed Moonlight. Using Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Intense Kajal, the shade I am using is black on my all over my lid. Using this back matte brown eyeshadow on my crease. Makeup Revolution Nat Pro palette, shade I am using is black for my outer V. Using this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer, shade I am using 25 medium on my face. Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer, shade I am using Deep 35 for my contour. Chambor eyebrow pencil, shade I am using the dark brown 02. Sugar up down curl lengthening mascara, shade I am using 01 Black Beauty. Chambor Orosa matte blush makeup stick, shade I am using this Plum 204. Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Matte Lip Crayon, shade I am using Brunette 20. So that's it everyone. If you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel and drop a like and share with your friends. Bye.